going to talk about testing your market right now, what I am seeing uh, right now. And, it's when I started coaching for moms in their businesses, I thought of, three things that they would be dealing with and communicate through that way. Well, I'm going to say that I truly believe that those moms are dealing with that. Um, one of the things I deal with is balance the needs of the family, feeling guilt for being a mom, and also owning a business, and as well as actually creating results in their business. Um, but what I am seeing right now, as I start off my career in software engineering. I was a database administrator to like a hedge fund company that at the time manages $5 billion. It's probably, since it's 20 years ago, it's probably like in the hundreds of $1 billion right now. And what I learned is back then is to really analyze data. Um, and when you don't analyze data properly, there's big cost. And so um, back then the cost was the trader couldn't do any trade for like one evening. He missed the whole Asian market. It's like, oops. Well, it's very similar to actually doing businesses in this market, and it's really about analyzing data and see what people are interested in. And so when I started doing social media posts on Facebook, on Instagram, and then I did YouTube, and then I did occasionally LinkedIn. And I'm getting what I thought was people dealing with is that is not what they're dealing with now. So what I'm finding out is that across all these social media avenues, and now I can see that why I have missed connecting with certain clients, is that people really need support in online presence more than anything else, and the self-care and the balance of the family is important. Yet if you can't put food under the table, if you can't um, make monthly payments for whatever it is that people need to make, then self-care and balancing the family is second. And that's what I'm finding out right now through all my social media posts. When I go onto YouTube, I am finding that when I talk about time blocking, when I talk about self-care, when I talk about family, they get a little bit of whispers. But oh my gosh, am I getting a lot of responses, and where I get all my views and where I get my subscribe numbers up is all from technology. And I wasn't listening to my clients very well when they were saying, I don't know how to um, show myself. I also in my own coaching group, I have a big coaching group, and then I have a small coaching group, and from either end I'm finding people asking me for technical support, how to show them set up technology in different venues and social media platform, and why it's so urgent, even though people say, hey, you can just YouTube it if you don't know any technical stuff. But that's not necessarily working, because technology changes every 6 months. And so when I see posts on how to do something about social media, it's not working, and it gets people confused. And for instance, I have spent, even though I have a technology training, I have a computer science background and a major in mathematics, I have spent like hours and hours just to how to download Facebook live videos and upload it onto YouTube. Um, so that's the kind of thing. It's really important to really test the market and see what responses that comes back. And so for me, I'm finding a lot of people are needing a lot of technical support because they can't find the resources online. And so if you are interested, I'm actually going to give a free offer right now. And the offer is that if you would like to have a checklist of how to download your Facebook Live video and upload it onto YouTube, I actually would also give you how to make it visible and to have uh, views automatically, like within, you know, a few hours. You'll get views for a few hours. I'll help you with that. So I'll give you a checklist. And when this broadcast ends, in the link in the comment box, I will actually include a link to register so you can get this free checklist. All right. Well, thank you for watching. And it is Friday now here in San Diego. So I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And that's it. Thanks.